Google is set to unveil its highly anticipated Pixel 9 series on August 13th, an event that comes 2 months earlier than usual. This move appears to be an attempt to curb the rampant leaks that typically precede such launches, although it hasn't been entirely successful so far. The event may also feature the introduction of the Pixel Watch 3, promising a comprehensive showcase of Google's latest technological advancements. But despite the company's efforts to keep details under wraps, the Pixel 9 series has been subject to a series of leaks these past months. Just last week, the vanilla Pixel 9 leaked in 2 hands-on videos, and now it's time for the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL to get the exact same treatment. Notably, hands-on videos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has surfaced online, providing a much better glimpse of the device. These leaks included comparisons of the Pixel 9 Pro XL with both the Pixel 9 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering a comprehensive look at the upcoming candy bar flagship from the search giant. In one video, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is compared directly to the smaller Pixel 9, highlighting the size differences between the two. Another video pits the Pixel 9 Pro XL against Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, showing that the Pro is slightly shorter than Samsung's premium handset. These videos, shared by the TikTok account PixoPhone, reveal the materials and build of the prototypes, suggesting different finishes for each model. The Pixel 9 features a glossy rear panel with matte sides, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL has a matte rear with shiny side panels. This design choice has sparked some debate, with opinions divided on its aesthetics and practicality. Just yesterday, the European prices for the entire Pixel 9 family was shared by D-Labs, which is a French publication with a solid track record and very reliable insider sources. But despite their credibility, it is crucial to recommend that you take the following information with a dose of skepticism for the time being, because nothing is officially confirmed just yet. It is equally important to remind you that there's no point in converting those European prices into US dollars, because it would only create unnecessary panic. With that said, starting with the vanilla Pixel 9, it is said to arrive in obsidian, porcelain, Cosmo, and Mojito color options. The prices for this model will be €900 with 128 gigs of storage, and €1,000 for 256 gigs. The Pixel 9 Pro will be about the same size as the Pixel 9, but will feature more camera sensors. It starts at €1,100 with 128 gigabytes of storage, €1,200 with 256 gigs, and €1,330 if you need the 512 gigs variant. The top version will only be offered in Obsidian and Hazel, while the other two also gets porcelain and pink color options. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will have the same innards as the Pixel 9 Pro, but will be significantly larger in size. This is the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, and will start at €1,200 with 128 gigabytes of storage, €1,300 for the 256 gigs, €1,430 with 512 gigs, and €1,690 for the 1TB model. The 1TB version will only be available in Obsidian. The 128 and 512 gigs models add porcelain and hazel, while the 256 gigs variant is the only one also offered in pink. It's not easy to make sense of this strategy for us either, so don't worry. Finally, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be the successor to the original Pixel Fold from last year, and is expected to build on the lessons learned from its predecessor. Improvements in the hinge design, screen durability, and overall performance are anticipated, aiming to make it a strong contender in the foldable market. Anyway, the Pixel Pro Fold will set you back €1,900 with 256 gigabytes of storage, €2,030 with 512 gigs, and will be available in Obsidian and porcelain only. For reference, note that the Pixel 8 was €100 cheaper in the 128 gigs variant, and €140 cheaper with the 256 gigs, while the Pixel 9 Pro is similarly priced to the Pixel 8 Pro in its base model. The 256 gigs version is €30 more, and the 512 gigs model is €40 more. But as we've already mentioned, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, and with that in mind, the most premium candy bar offering from Google this year is at least €100 more expensive than its predecessor, that is, if these prices turn out to be accurate. Unfortunately, though, these pricing trend mirrors what we've seen with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6, indicating a broader industry trend towards higher prices, which means Apple could follow soon with the upcoming iPhone 16 series in September. Back to the leaked videos, the Pixel 9 series features distinct design elements that set it apart from its predecessors. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, for instance, comes with different materials than the Pixel 9. The Pro XL sports a matte finish on the rear with shiny side panels, while the Pixel 9 has a glossy rear panel with matte sides. These design choices are somewhat unconventional, and it remains to be seen if they will be part of the final product. The video also show off the new camera design, which is a departure from the edge-to-edge bar design seen in previous Pixel phones. This new design is expected to house similar camera components to the Pixel 8 series, with the Pixel 9 likely to have a main and ultra-wide camera, possibly retaining the 50-megapixel primary and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensors. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is also anticipated to carry the same 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel 5x telephoto lenses as the Pixel 8 Pro. The camera system has been a hallmark of the Pixel brand, and while the sensor configurations may remain similar to the Pixel 8 series, enhancements in image processing and new camera features are likely to be part of the package. The Pixel 9 series will feature varying screen sizes to cater to different user preferences. The vanilla Pixel 9 is expected to have a 6.24-inch display, making it the most compact of the new lineup. The Pixel 9 Pro will come with a slightly larger 6.34-inch screen, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the largest of the trio, will sport a 6.73-inch display. These size differences were highlighted in the leaked videos, providing a clear visual comparison. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, when placed next to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, was shown to be just a bit shorter, which could influence consumer preferences based on how they value screen real estate. As we approach the August 13 event, anticipation for the upcoming Pixel 9 series continues to build. Despite the leaks, many details remain speculative, leaving room for some surprises at the official unveiling. The new lineup promises to offer a range of options for consumers, each tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you're interested in the compact Pixel 9, the balanced Pixel 9 Pro, the large and powerful Pixel 9 Pro XL, or the innovative Pixel 9 Pro Fold, there's likely something in this new series that will catch your eye, so stay tuned to the channel as we continue to unravel the mysteries surrounding Google's upcoming flagships. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one.